Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I am up to 338 subscribers. It blows my mind. When I started this, I thought, you know, I'll probably never get over like 30, 40 people, you know, maybe a handful of them watch my videos. One of my videos has almost 1,300 views on it. Like, it just rocks my world. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe. It really helps me out. I really do appreciate it. Let's get into this look that I did today. All right, so let's jump into it. Today's look is inspired by someone I just started following on YouTube, and her name has completely slipped my mind, but I will link her down below, and I will put down here what her name is. She is gorgeous, just stunning. I don't know why she wasn't in my recent histories on my phone, but whatever, let's move on. It's gonna take forever. I have the puppy with me because Dad's playing disc golf. I may have to sacrifice a brush for him. I know it's like bad mom 101, but I'm just gonna give him a Wet n Wild brush because although I do love them, they're only 99 cents and maybe it will keep them out of my hair. Ugh, I feel so exposed. I hate when my arms are showing. It's such an insecurity. I'm gonna do an all over purple eyelid with some black liner. She used an e.l.f. palette. I don't have that, so I'm going to use my Morphe 35I palette. Yes, I know they're canceled, but I'm going to continue to use my makeup that I have. What else can I do? It's like a pastel purple look. So cute. So I'm just gonna take Blur from my Melt Stack just to give a little definition to my eye. Do you guys ever look at your brows and be like, I did that today? You guys may be looking like, did what? But I swear I've had like a bad brow day every time I've tried to film lately, and today they're a little bit better, so let me gloat. Okay, so just chuck in a little bit on, may go back later, but for now it's good enough. Oh, also I have my cat, who I was just reunited with. He was, I might just film a video on that. That'll probably even be up first because they're easier to edit. So first I want to go in just to make this, such a pretty color. So maybe I'll go in with this pink first here. It's like, well, peachy color right here, and then put that on top. I do quite enjoy this palette. I mean, it just shows up so well. I don't know if Morphe like changes formulations per collaborator, like if they get to choose that or just the colors, but I do find this to be like one of my favorite formulas from them. Which is so weird because I watched like a review on it where this gal like just hers didn't work as well for her. So I don't know what that's about. Maybe it's just inconsistency with the brand. Taking the same brush, I'm gonna go in with that purple color. You hear him just chewing away on that brush? Maybe I can get this look done before he's like bored of it and starts chewing on everything else. He's getting so big, but very much still such a puppy. I mean, I think he might be almost, I'd have to do the math, but like 4 months, but growing so large. I swear I just like chucked this one on perfectly in a shape, but this one I just wasn't paying attention, so it got a little bit like whatever. I mean, not bad, but it just wasn't as like smooth as like this one was. Not the shadow, just the shape. Really pack that on. And it almost like ombres from that pinky peach, which I do like. All right. Just taking a little brush and wiping anything that may have fallen out, which wasn't much. Okay, so before I go too much further, I may have already said this, but the puppy is so distracting. I want to do a black liner, and I couldn't find any of my black liners, so I'm just gonna use black eyeshadow from an unknown palette. I'm thinking I'm just gonna leave that on that outer corner in case my eye starts to water, and just to kind of elongate that, like kind of almost like a straight liner. That wasn't my original plan, but I like how it looks. Okay, both eyes done. They're not perfectly even, but pretty freaking close, to be honest. I'm gonna jump back into blur and put that under my lower lash line. Really kind of smoke that out. I have a hair somewhere tickling my face, but I cannot see it. I'm not gonna do a whole lot to the lower lash line because the main event is on top of our lids, but I am gonna jump into Unseen and toss some of that under there as well, just to shape the eye a little bit more. And then just blend that in. I'm gonna pop on some lashes to see what more I may want to do. And I am using the lashes that I got from Aliexpress, the $2 lashes. Still blows my mind. I don't know where the other pair that I was using went. I've used them a couple times and they don't seem to be breaking down. And I usually keep them in like this little jar where I have all my lashes that I use, but I don't think I put them in there. So I'm gonna cut these to size and pop these on real quick. All right, so the lashes are on, and I have to say these lashes are some of the easiest lashes that I've ever applied for $2. It just blows my mind. Like, I can't imagine a $2 lash working so well, but I'm excited that they do, because some of these people want $25 for lashes. Like, can't do it, just can't do it. So also shout out to Duo. I've had this damn lash glue for embarrassingly way too long. I think over 2 or 3 years, but it's still like holding tough. So I'm gonna toss on some, wait, no, before I toss on some mascara, I'm gonna kind of blend out the purple into that crease shadow. I'm not gonna add any additional color. I'm just gonna go over it with the brush. I lied. I'm gonna take a little bit more and buff it up into that brow just because I've just been loving that. If you've seen any of my other videos. So I'm going to put on some Mega Volume Wet n Wild mascara. It's waterproof, I didn't realize that, but whatever. After I do the mascara, I like to give my eyelashes one more pinch. This is the look a little closer. Really, really cute. I really like it. So let's do a little highlight. I don't always do highlight nowadays and I don't know why. So I was digging around in my makeup and I literally like pulled out these that I got from Jaclyn Cosmetic, collecting dust. So I thought, well, let's use them. Spent all that damn money. I should wipe them off. Oh, that's gross. Give it a little clean. Ugh. Anyhow. Top of this is like starting to get scratched up, which I guess is plastic, but a little disappointing for the price. I think I want to use a little bit of iced right here. My nose is already so shiny and I got a bunch of blush on it. Do a little bit. And a little bit here. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just kind of like do a once over. Just cause I'm getting a little shiny. I don't want to do an inner corner highlight, and since I'm not, I think let's take a little bit of Do Me and do that on the brow bone. Just using the same brush that we did with our crease shade. Really highlight. I have a pimple right there. Hurt like the dickens too. All right, I love this. Love, love, love this look. Okay, so let's do some lipstick. I'm just using a Mud Makeup lip pencil and I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna take MAC Hot and Bothered and pop some of that on. I could have went a little bit more nude, but I love the lip color, so who cares? Okay, so this is the completed look. I love, love, love how it turned out so much that I don't want to take it off to film another video, but I really need to film another look and get some videos out and get ahead of the game. I don't know what to do, but leave any thoughts, any looks down below of products you want me to review or looks you want to see, questions, anything like that. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.